Now we will discuss about the importance of gravitational force. Why this gravitational force is so much important for us. In this topic we will discuss some examples where gravitational force exists. The very first example is Earth revolves around Sun. Why? Because of gravitational attraction of Sun. सन अर्थ को अट्रैक्ट करता है, इसी वजह से अर्थ सन के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करती है। क्योंकि सन का मास अर्थ के कंपैरिजन में ज्यादा है, इसीलिए अर्थ मोशन शो करती है एंड सन अपीयर्स स्टेशनरी टू अस। द सेकेंड पॉइंट और सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल वी कैन से मून रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड अर्थ। व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल अट्रैक्शन ऑफ Earth, and the reason is same because the mass of Earth is greater than mass of Moon. That's why Moon revolves around Earth. One more question arises here, that if mass of Sun is very much greater such that it attracts Earth towards itself, then why not Sun attracts Moon, which is revolving around the Earth? And its reason is that because the distance between Moon and Earth is very much smaller as compared to distance between Sun and Moon. So the effect of Earth's gravitational force is more on Moon as compared to gravitational force of Sun on Moon. यही रीजन है कि मून अर्थ के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है और अर्थ सन के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है। Because in the expression there is direct effect of masses but inverse effect of square of distance. Here is the linear term, here is the square term. If we change the value of r by 2 simply, so it becomes 4 times. So the effect of separation is more, that's why moon doesn't revolve around the sun. The next example we can say, in the similar manner, all the planets in our solar system revolve around sun. Same manner is here, due to sun's gravitational attraction, all the planets revolves around sun. Another example where gravitational force exists is that atmosphere is present on Earth's surface. Atmosphere means air, and air is a mixture of gases. These gases are binded towards the Earth's surface because of Earth's gravitational force. That's why we said life is possible on Earth. Atmosphere exists on Earth's surface because of its gravitational attraction. We can easily walk on the Earth's surface. Walking on Earth's surface is possible because of Earth's gravitational pull. Earth always attracts us towards its center. That's why we can easily walk on its surface. In place of water, the gravitational attraction is downward. So we can't walk on the water surface, but we walk easily on the earth surface. The rain falls vertically downward. Why? Because of Earth's gravitational attraction. One more example for the gravitational force is that tides occur in oceans. Why? Tides occur in ocean because of the moon's gravitational attraction. Moon attracts these water molecules towards itself, so they result in a increase in level of water, which are termed as tides. Sometimes the tides are much higher than the normal values because sun's gravitational attraction always added towards it. Another example, that whenever we throw a body upward, it comes downward towards the earth's surface. Why? Because of the earth gravitational force. One more thing, that the force by which earth attracts any another body, we can also name that force as gravity. We can shortly name gravity as the gravitational pull of earth. अर्थ अगर कोई भी ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स लगाती है तो अर्थ के ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स को ही हम ग्रेविटी बोलते हैं शॉर्ट टर्म में. अदरवाइज इफ दिस ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स एग्जिस्ट बिटवीन एनी टू बॉडीज then we can simply name it as gravitational force. If one of the body out of the two is earth, surely if one is earth and another one is any body of mass m, then the force between these two bodies is known as gravity. And for this we will use the formula that F is G. One body is surely earth, so we will write its mass, that is m. Second body mass is small m, and the separation between these two bodies is r square. If the body is present at earth's surface or near the earth's surface, we will write it expression like this: F is equals to G capital M small m by r square.